So let's begin with Six Sigma first. So Six Sigma is a universal problem solving methodology called DMAIC, or we call it as DMAC. DMAC stands for define, measure, analyze, improve and control. A rigorous performance improvement approach. A customer focused, data driven approach to understand process variation and defect reduction. Very, very powerful aspect. In Six Sigma, we understand the variability of the process. We understand the causes of the variation. And then we attack on the causes to reduce down the variation. And that thus we actually reduce the defects. Okay. So if you want to understand this concept in greater details, let's have a look at this diagram. This curve, which is before curve, this is a process curve, process data. More spread in the curve, which shows that more probability of defects being generated, because anything which goes beyond the specification limit, which is lower specification, upper specification limit, which is defined by the customer of the process. So anything goes beyond this process is called defect. So broader this process, more probability of generating defects. Okay. So in Six Sigma, we study the variation of the process. Why the variation is existing in the process. What are the key elements? What are the factors impacting this process? And then we attack on that and to reduce the variation and hitting the target as well. So you can see the after process, which is much leaner, thinner than the earlier one, and it is aligned with the center of the process, which is actual customer expectation. So this is a performance target of 3.4 defects per million opportunities, which means if we produce 1 million parts, we can expect around 3 to 4 defects in those 1 million parts. So that is a level of precision we are talking about in this Six Sigma journey.